Hello, my name is Gianna Klein, aka the Archie from Tangy.co, and welcome to Hometalk. Christmas may be over, but don't throw out your tree. Instead, upcycle it. Take a popsicle stick or balsa wood stick and line it up with a branch. It should be a little bit over the length of the popsicle stick. Remove any ornaments that may be in the way, and cut the branch to size. You will need to do this multiple times depending on what exactly you are making. For 3 branch pieces, you can use a popsicle stick again. Line it up and cut a bit below the length of the popsicle stick.
For this star, you will need 5 pieces of evergreen and 5 popsicle sticks.
We will be gluing this side to the popsicle stick so it lays flat. Put a popsicle stick down and lay one on top of it at a 45-degree angle. Continue to stack popsicle sticks and repeat. Secure all of the popsicle sticks together with a little bit of floral wire. After it's fully secured, put down hot glue and line up a piece of evergreen with a popsicle stick. Go slow, it's going to be hot. I am using a low temperature hot glue gun. You might want to consider this as well too. Do this for all 5 pieces.
To make this star without popsicle sticks, you will need 6 pieces of evergreen that branch out to 3 points.
Go and line them up before you tie any of them together and see how you would like it to look.
After you have an idea of what you want your star to look like, use floral wire and tie them together. Start off with 2, then lay down another 2.
Wrap them around 2 or 3 times, lay down the last 2 pieces, and wrap these 2 or 3 times as well. Loop and twist the remainder of the wire to create a hanger like such.
For this star, you will need to start off by gluing a popsicle stick in the middle and laying one across.
Put glue on one end of the popsicle stick and put it under the popsicle stick that is sticking out. Grab another popsicle stick, put glue on both ends, and create a point. Repeat this 3 more times to create 4 points in total. Do this slowly and move the popsicle sticks before the glue cools down if you need to. Put down hot glue in the middle of the points. Glue down 2 popsicle sticks and do this 3 more times to create 4 more points. Glue down evergreen pieces to the outermost points first. Overlap the tips at the end of each point. Cut off any extra evergreen that sticks out on either side. Move on to the next points and use 2 smaller pieces of evergreen. Continue to move inwards and glue evergreen on the inner cross. Take some floral wire, loop it, and secure it to one of the points.
You could also use ribbon to make a hanger for your star by simply gluing it down to the back of the popsicle sticks. Hang up your stars in an area with a lot of light. These stars will help to sustainably decorate your home all winter long.
Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.